Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Nothing? What's happening? Drone trolling me, y'all. Love the way it flips. Got a wind blowing against my back here, so we're flying into the wind. This is with the wind. Speed pass with it. Not the fastest little micro drone, but not too shabby. Not much of a funnel from it. This is the best funnel it can do. Line of sight. Ah, fail. See, hopefully a prop didn't come off. Sure enough, a prop came off, but good thing is I think I saw it fall right around here somewhere. Like a needle in a haystack, though. Thinking about ending the video on this note, because it doesn't look like this little prop is going to show up, and I really don't feel like sitting out here looking for it. These things are black, but it's the Huying Toys little micro drone. I can't remember the name of it. I'll have the name of it right here. Thanks for watching.